Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to use CapCut templates in your PC. So if you want to do this, first of all you have to go to capcut.com/templates, and here you can see a lot of templates are already waiting for you. You can use any one from here to make a TikTok video. Now I want to use this template, so click on this template, then here you can see use these templates. Click on here. Now it's ready to use. You can change all the photos from here. First of all, click on the middle to replace your photo. Click here and select any photos from your gallery or from your PC, and then click again. So now I have replaced all the photos from here. Now it's ready. So I want to play. After completing your task, you can export your video. Just click on the export option, and now you can share in TikTok, YouTube Short, Facebook page, or you can also download directly from here. I just want to click download option and then export. Here you can see it is downloading. So here you can see my video is downloaded. Now I can upload this video anywhere, such as YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. So that's it. You can use any template to make your TikTok video from your PC. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.